So I've got here a fossil dinosaur track, and I'm going to show you the height map shader that I've got here in Blender. So this is it. Here's the network down here. The full details of that are available on my blog, link in the description, but I'll just run you through it now. We've got the geometry, we take the position of that, we do a little bit of maths on it, and that determines the range and the position of that scale, which goes into a color ramp, and then putting that into a principled BSDF shader, so I can tweak specular and things like that. I have two values here that I've added, height map range and distance of that range from the origin, and that enables us to flexibly change the scale on the fly and easily highlight the features we want to highlight. As I say, all the details are in the blog, link in the description. Take a look.